Welcome back. If you use the Microsoft Edge or Chrome browsers, you can install the Jasper.ai browser extension. And you can come to the home page and you can typically scroll down in order to see it. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this button that says Add Jasper to Chrome, even though right at the moment we are using a Microsoft Edge browser. You will want to be logged into your Google account. When you do that, all you need to do is to click this button that says Add to Chrome. You'll get the prompt. You'll then click Add Extension. If you haven't created an account, you'll need to create one. You may at that point be asked to do two-factor authentication. We are going to add in the verification number, and we're then going to click Verify. You will then be logged into your dashboard. You will then want to make sure that the extension is added to your browser. And we have verified the extension on our browser. Again, we are now in Microsoft Edge. What we're now going to do is we're going to enable Jasper on this site. And we have now added the Jasper browser extension. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.